Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another OSO tutorial. It happens to me in Tutorial when you try to, for example, let's go open OSO and go to play and solo. Or here, for example, it happens that you can't really click on your country, you can't see your country ranking or your friends ranking or even the global ranking in some selected mode. While back like in 2018, 2020, 2021, we could do it like normally. But as you can see, when you click on some of them, it will ask you need to be a supporter to use this feature. So how can you become a supporter of OSO? Basically, all you gotta do is open any kind of browser that you are using in your PC. For me, I'm using Google Chrome, and after doing so, click on OSO and pick the first website, which is oso.ppy.sh, and then connect your account from here. And now, as you can see, we have a lot of options. Click on this heart that is next to the logo of Twitter and logo of the language. So after clicking on it, we'll have here all the benefits that you will get from being a supporter, which is like all these OSO direct, like you can download directly the bitmaps inside your game. You can friend ranking, country ranking, filter by mode, which is these options in here. You can see them and check them as you want. There's also bitmap filter. You can automatic download, you can upload more bitmaps, you can have early access to some of OSO gameplays, you can add more to your favorites, have more friends, and have a friend leaderboard between you and your friends. You can have yellow fellow, like a yellow name in your chat. You can have speedy download, and you will be able to change the username and skin enables, which these two are the most important ones. So how can you really become a supporter? You can just click on this heart in here, and then you will have to pay. It depends on you. For example, how much time do you want to be a supporter for? For example, let's say that you want to be a supporter for 2 months. You click on here and you will be supporter for 2 months. If you want to be a supporter for like 2 years, you will have to make it all the way down to here, and it's pretty cheap, guys. It's only like $52. So, and it will last for you for 2 months, for 2 years, I mean. So yeah, after doing so, you can click on add to cart, and then you will click on checkout, and then click on checkout, choose the payment method that you want. They accept PayPal and Apple Pay and WeChat Pay, Bitcoin, and Bitcash. You can use whatever option that fits you the best, and then you will pay and get your supporter role in OSO. So that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.